Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, a group of cute cats decided to lay down. They curled up together, all warm and snug, and purred and snuggled the whole night through like a bug. One little kitten, all black and white, decided to go on a stroll one bright moonlit night. She meowed and she yawned and stretched her paws, and then set off on her exciting course. She found a tin of tuna, all shiny and new, and ate it all up, as cats often do. Then she scampered back home, to her kitty friends, and settled back down, until the night's end. So if you're ever near that cozy little town, take a peek around and look all around. You might see a group of cats, all snuggled up tight, purring and meowing with sheer delight.